Welcome to the first episode here in Argyris Trader channel. Actually, we are going to be showing what is happening regarding the markets and of course crypto space. We are going to be analyzing what is happening regarding the news, but everything on the part of the technical analysis. We are going to be showing everything that has to do with the charts. We are going to go directly to the charts to see what is happening right there. Before this, like, subscribe, press the bell button for all the notifications so you can get all of this fresh content we are gonna share every time with you here in our Argyris Trader channel. We are going directly to see what is happening in the markets. We are gonna see the news and of course what is going on in general with the ETFs regarding Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. So let's go to check what is happening regarding the ETFs right now. Let's see what in the world is going to happen regarding the Bitcoin, but also the Ethereum price right now. What we are watching is that, as far as you can see, 26th of March, we had another buy. In general, we see that the Bitcoin ETFs are actually accumulating the last period of time. And also what we should see as well is the fact that Ethereum doesn't really go so well because we see massive sales the last period of time. We don't have any kind of buys. And just 24th of March, nothing crazy, nothing to actually see right here. The environment doesn't look so good, but yeah, I believe that Ethereum sooner rather than later we are about to have a massive PAM, I believe, but we'll see. We'll go further to what is happening in general in the markets right now. What we are watching is of course the accumulation the past days regarding the Bitcoin ETFs. And this is something that should be really mentioned because we are watching that for first time. We don't have similar patterns regarding Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. This is something that has to really be mentioned. As far as we can see, also BlackRock said that the fact that Ethereum is not pumping right now is also because it's not allowed the staking inside ETFs. So this is a major problem. What we are watching as well is the fact that the market is actually going neutral the past 2 weeks. So we should see what is going to happen regarding that. And of course, the technicals has to say something more before we are actually going to analyze as well. Just remember that we are running an insane competition through BitUnix with the link under below. So what is going to happen is that the next 15 days, the one that is going to do the biggest trading volume is going to get 1000 USDT. Plus the fact that we are going to have 200 USDT for the second winner that is going to be transferred directly to his or her UID. So this means that you are actually going to get all this money, depends on the trading volume you're going to do. So you can be the winner just because of the volume. You can get the link under below. Plus the fact that we are giving away an iPhone 16, plus we are giving 200 USDC with the OKX link just for you to make one simple trade. You are going directly to this competition, so you can have the opportunity and the chance. I can send you an iPhone 16 that I'm going to share. Now let's go to see right here. We see that XRP is dropping significantly the past 7 days compared to the rest of the crypto market that is going up. This is something we have to mention as well. 2.37 is one of my favorite coins, I would say, one of my favorite cryptos, and I would directly say that most likely the next 15 days they're gonna be massive, I believe, for XRP. Let's go directly to the chart to see what is happening regarding the Bitcoin price. And what we are watching right now is that we had a very nice bullish divergence, I would say. You can also check it out on the other side down here. So low, lower low, low, higher low. So this was a very, very good thing regarding the Williams R. Even better right here, even better on the RSI chart. We have seen that this happened, the breakout happened after so long, and I've been mentioning in my Greek channel that of course when we are going to see the pump, the confirmation price action to the upper side, we most likely going to see a further price action to the upper side. So this is something very, very, very good. I believe that also the weekly chart has a potential of a green dot right here on the momentum waves. This means together with the VWAPs, we can have an amazing price action to the upper side if BTC is going to break 92,000 level. This is very, very, very important. However, we are standing over the 50 moving average. We have seen how significant price action is right here, every time we have seen a bounce over the 50 moving average, then we had another leg to the upper side. So now, for us to have another move to the upper side, we have seen that this symmetrical triangle broke to the downside. Now we get a kind of confirmation, but we should see price action over 92,000 level. This 92,000 level is very, very, very important. Right now on the 4-hour chart, we have a kind of bull flag right here that should break to the upper side for the RSI. So if this is going to happen, most likely it's going to happen, we are going to see further price to the upside. So I just want to say that if this move is going finally to happen, then we have to break in the next week, the 90,000 level, 90,795. I believe that this could happen even on Sunday. Even until Sunday, we could see a massive breakout from 90,629. This is a very, very, very important level, so we can go further to this very nice fair value gap in the next point, 97,000, 96 to 97,000. This is the breakout point I would like to see Bitcoin. If this is going to happen, then next leg to the upper side, 96,800 to 97,500. This is the major area, and we should also break 99,000 so we can go to the next levels and of course continue further. Because bad or good, this is not the best time right now if we are going to hold under this 92,000 level. This is not looking so good. So I believe that we should see another price to the upside. If this is going to break, if this major support is going to break, then first time I see the level at 81,794. If this is not going to hold, then all the way down to the 69 to 74,000 dollars for the Bitcoin price. And this is how I'm actually trading. This is an amazing environment to trade, I would say, because yesterday, if you would just zoom in on the 15-minute chart, you could see that is another bounce coming in. You could easily trade this thing. Okay, so this was a major move that if you are a scalper, then you can make a lot of money from this move, because you know that at least it goes for the confirmation of this symmetrical triangle. So inside the symmetrical triangle, very nice moves as well, breakdown, and of course supporting price reversal to the upper side. What we should see as well is the CPR lines. The CPR lines that they are very, very, very important at this point. And we see from the CPR lines, those blue lines, actually they are very, very, very important, and we should see price action to the upper side. So that's why we have to break 90,000. We have to go to the 92,000. And of course see a price action over the 50 daily moving average, so we can go all the way to the upside. Now we have all of these 98,660, so it's coming in a perfect alignment with the things that we said before, so we can see the next leg to the upside. So if we are going to break the 90,000, then I believe that this is a very nice long trade, without this being a financial advice, of course. But what I see is that the price to the upper side, yeah, it's going to be massive until 98,000, 99,000. So this is the level I'm watching, with the fair value gap at the $97,000. So I would take a profit directly there if I would actually start already trading, because bad or good, right now it was an amazing move. We are still in the beginning. You can place your stop losses under these areas, and then you are very, very, very safe. So if you are going to hold under this line your stop losses, then you have an insane breakout. What's the upper side? And then of course you can hope for very, very, very nice trades like this one, for example. So if you're going to fix this trade right here and put the stop losses under the 86,000 level, this all the way up, you have a 1-to-9 risk to reward ratio. That's actually an insane trade, and the loss is so less. Like even with 5 levers right here, you can make like 55 on the upper side. You can trade from BitUnix, of course, with the best liquidity by far. I see many big traders moving right there, and to the downside you just lose 5%. So I would say that this is an amazing trade in every case. Okay, so this is the trade that I watch on the Bitcoin price. We go directly to the Ethereum to see what is happening right there. Now, I believe that we could easily see another leg towards the downside. I believe so, because then we don't have a crazy move. I would wait a little bit more to load my guns in case I want to like check this area right here up to the 2008. This is not something crazy. I remind you, we are in the 1 hour chart right here. But yeah, Ethereum is in a crazy discount. I would say that Ethereum can really start running after a while, and we can see up to 5,000 level. I'm not Ethereum maximalist. I actually have stopped being since previous March. So the thing is that I'm watching in every case this kind of moves from projects that nobody's expecting anymore, because people got disappointed and then they return to other projects like meme coins and all of this stuff. So I believe that Ethereum is gonna run because it has been in a massive discount, and I call this kind of prices down here, where if you can see, I had this box as well that we got the perfect bottom. So I would say that I see that Ethereum has potential to run to all the way to the upper side. But yeah, I believe that also if you can check the daily chart, we are in a very nice curving area. We have to go over these levels. We have to pass the 2,500 level. But I believe still that is a very nice trade. Now, can this go all the way to the downside? Yes, if it's gonna break these levels, 1,661, then literally at this point, all the way down here to the approximately, what is it, like 1,300 level, then I'm going all in on Ethereum, guys. I'm going all in because I know that I can get at least 100% from this point. Now, even now, it's an amazing price. Even though it's an amazing price. It's an amazing price. I can get a 30%, 40%, 50% to the upside. So no stress. Like for now, it's one of the best opportunities to buy, because you can see it also on the Fear and Greed Index. The Fear and Greed Index on the 40 level right now. And we have seen the best Fear and Greed Index level 10. That is one of the best cases we have seen the past 3 years. So it was one of the best opportunities by far to get everything that you could. Of course, this is not a financial advice, but I personally did. And you should go and do your own research before you put your money inside the markets. You have to speak with someone that is a specialist, because here is just a content that we are doing mostly for your information. And yeah, I would say that this is an amazing opportunity, in my opinion, for me to make some kind of buyings right now. So if you want to have, like, of course, Ethereum and buy in a spot price, then I believe that's a good thing. I believe that is one of the best cases, so you can get this very nice price. Nothing is a financial advice, I repeat. So yeah, I believe that is a very, very good place right now. Now, right here, we see that we have a breakout over the XRP on the daily chart. And I believe because the 5-day chart is looking crazy good, I think that we are going to have a massive breakout the next 15 to 20 days. I believe that we'll see another price, another leg up to the upper side. You see here the trade that I was actually planning on. Now, regarding the XRP price, what I see is this insane trade right here, right now. This is for me. I am planning to take this trade very, very, very soon, because I believe the potential is mental. Because on the 5-day chart, we see that we have a breakout. We see amazing potential right here. I think we are going to have also a green dot that is curving very, very soon to the momentum waves. Also, we see that the VWAPs, they are about to curve. And I believe in the next 20 days, we could have a very nice breakout to the upper side, even though the weekly chart doesn't look that good right now. So we have to see what is happening right here. You put your stop loss, of course, in case you want to take this kind of trade, and then you are safe. So what I'm placing the stop loss is a 4% down. The price is 227 for this moment. So we can see a very nice price to what's the upper side. You can, I'm going to take several take profits, so I can have a very, very nice trade all the way to the upside with safety and, of course, profits. So I believe that this is all that we could see today. I hope you like the video. I hope you go to like, subscribe, and of course press the bell button for all the notifications to get this kind of content that we are going to share every time with you right here in our Heroes Trader channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. And don't forget the 2 competitions that we are doing. See you in the next one. Bye bye.